Good evening. Good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Search. So I'm recording live for your sake and for all the traders who have purchased my indicator. For them, I'm making an exclusive live video for them to understand how to take the trade. For example, this was the manipulation third hour block. The market tried to manipulate from the 12:15 to 150, 12:35, and again they pushed it higher, 113. From 113 to 215, it was a down move. There was no trend at all. It was going sideways. You should not have entered into that trade. Around 215, you got the proper trade in the market. It is breaking above the level, and see the momentum. Now it is trading around 182. It is trading. Let it trade so that I'll show you in a playback mode how to enter the trade. I am on the 1 minute time frame because today was very narrow range. The play was within the narrow range. That's why I changed the time frame to 1 minute. In the settings, there is auto rolling pivot time frame. This is auto rolling time frame. For default, you all must be having 1 hour. So what you do is change it to 15 minutes, and save as default. If you save as default, it will be there. This is the thing you need to do. See the momentum, how it is going. The buy signal was generated over here, and I'll explain you what all you need to see in the market. Now it is a blast. It is going to, and that Nifty is trading now. Let me go to the underline. Where is that? I'm not getting. Yeah, 24,860. It is a breakout. You can see breakout from the previous day, almost near the previous day high. The market is trying to move higher, and it is a blast. And what a move! You can see what a move now. The call option. Let me put the call option. Let me reset the chart. See the move from here, from 166 to 200. What more you want? So if you are a multiple lot trader, you could have gained lot of money. But a single lot is enough. But to practice, to get hold of this indicator, this is a very beautiful indicator what I'm showing it to you. Now it is after reaching a certain point now, 2:15. Since I've changed to time frame 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, 15 minutes candle, these pivots will join together. All the R1 pivot and S1, they will come together. They will come, and I'll show it to you people, and then they will balance out for the next 15 minutes. So that line will become your guidelines. This is the pivot here. And this becomes your stop loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you go back, 9, 10, 11. This is the pivot. Balancing line is here for the last 15-minute candle. Now the price is moving. How many candles are there? From 230 to 245. 245 will be the completion of the another 15-minute. Let me put a vertical line. Let me make it dark so that you can see when the price comes over there. Let it not be so dark. Let the line be 2. Okay, 245. Purposely I'm recording live so that you can understand. The price is above the Gann HILO. The pivots are running so beautifully high. Now, after running this much, they are going sideways. I have not enabled the NR4. I can enable the NR4 now. I mean, enabling the NR4 and 7. You can see the price is going, narrow range bars are forming, indicating that it will go, because it is 1 minute time frame. I am on the 1 minute time frame. Still, the market is moving higher. It is a narrow range because it is coded narrow range, because the range of the bar when compared to these previous, this one is narrow range. That's why it is taking color now. See, now it is running. Your guideline stop loss should be here, last 15 minutes. So since it has been changed to 15 minutes, because it is rolling 15, it is adjusted to the 15 minute, and I am on the 1 minute time frame. Today the trade was in the 1 minute time frame because the market was range bound. Market was not going away. Now only while closing, they are closing, they are out of the range. The market is trading now to Nifty is trading above the 24,000. Let me go to the 24,872. Let me apply this. 24,872. It has crossed the previous day high and it is trading higher. So I had already mentioned in my previous to previous video, Nifty is showing reversal. That's why many stocks have shown reversal and they are trading. So Nifty, Infosys also trying to reverse from, still it has not complete this one. I had mentioned for Hindustan Zinc around 448, how you could have taken position on the swing around 448. Now it is running to 492. There is an evidence over here how my indicator captured this stock, and I was able to tell you this is the stock, you can go long. So this is how. I am not a magician or anything. My indicator is a magic person telling me you should go long. See the beauty of the index, it is going. And let me go to the call option, which is running over here. Now, this one is the 24,000 call option from 160. Now it is running around 219. 219, friends. So 160 to 290, 40 to 58, 60 points. My God. So my indicator, see the beauty of the indicator it is taking. Now I will stop. Let it close 30 minutes. Let the pivots come together, so that I wanted to show you, demonstrate that. Till that I need to speak. Because after that I'll show you playback mode, how to enter, what to see when the market is coming down, how to capture the entry. That's what I'm going to. So I need to wait for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes, because it has to become 2:45. Another 1.5 minute, 2:45. We need to wait for that. One and a half candle, we need to wait. Let us see, when they let all the pivots combine together, what sort of trend will emerge here. Whether it is going to give discount, because the price has moved away from the Gann HILO. The moving average has to pick up. So what happens? They will combine together, moving averages will pick up, and this is the reference of the last 15-minute pivot line. So you need to keep your stop loss if you have taken long position. Let us check what will happen on the next 1 or 2 candles. Let the pivots combine, so that you need to see visually, because some people, some traders, they do not observe it. They have to observe it. The observation is the key for the success. It will give you edge in your trading. And the edge comes with your observation only. Now, in this indicator has taken care of the psychology. See, you are not threatened at all. After entering any down move, you are not getting out of the trade. You are holding the trade from 160. Now it is running 200 and yes, it has joined together. See, immediately all the pivots temporarily changed to gray color. Now the price is moving higher and buy signal has been generated. We need to wait because candle has not closed. Still 42 seconds are there. This is what I wanted to show it to you people. Every 15 minutes, all the pivots will join together and balance out. So this line is the balancing line. This line is the balancing line for this present 15 minute. So if it is start trading below that, then you are going to get out of this trade because you are going to book profits around from 160 to see it is not sticking. So correction has started. Now you are getting out of the trade. That is enough. So because they turned gray. All they turned gray and the price has come below the pivot. And this is the reference pivot, actually 15 minutes pivot. Let us watch what it will do. What it will do, whether it will go down or it will continue. So I am recording live for you people. Live recording is very, very essential. And I'll show you before closing, I'll show you how to make an entry. How to make an entry, probably if it corrects, it has probably it may correct to this moving average if it comes down fast, or if it moving average may pick up. Already it is nearing 3 p.m. 2:47 p.m. 2:47 p.m. means another 15 minutes is there for the balance line to form. We need to see what sort of balance line will be formed now in another 15 minutes, and then we can take a call for after 3 p.m. Trade. Now the big players are full in control because they have gone above this third hour high. They need to close above the third hour high. Probably if they close it, then it will be a gap up on Monday morning. It will be a BTST trade, and the Nifty may trade past 24,900. It can even go to 25,000 also. Let us check what will happen, whether it will turn around, whether it is, but it is appearing that big players have taken control over here. Let me go to the meanwhile, let me go to the INFI. INFI is also showing a reversal. And this is the 4 hour marking line, 1444, and this is a BTST. It can become, before closing, it can become a BTST trade for tomorrow. INFI is showing reversal. Yes, since yesterday I am watching this. Let me go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, it is touching the pivot. Pivot has turned gray. Pivot has turned till now it was, so it has turned to neutral. If it starts moving, next target will be 1466, and then we need to see how it will proceed. It will even can go up to 1495 within 2 to 3 days. Let me go back to the hourly chart or 15 minutes chart. Sorry, let me go back, change the time frame. Let me set it for 1 minute and see what is happening in the Nifty. See, 1 minute it has given a buy signal and it is going above. From here it is going above, and the same call option for the INFI. Let me go there where it is. INFI. I selected the out of the money call option. This out of the money call option, even though there is no liquidity, it has given a buy signal around 1735. Now it is running 1890. That means around 1.5 to 2 points. So there is no momentum. Still, it is picking up because INFI is trying to come out of this. See, you need to catch this move early, because what happens is the market makers or the promoters will push the high, push it to gap up, and it will not be available for the traders to trade. Only if the traders has to take the trade, they have to go to the discounted price. See, now it could not go past this balance line, 15 minutes balance line. For another 15 minutes, it is going down. Let us see whether it will come down to this level, moving average, or it will show reversal. So around 251 now. 2:51. Next 15 minutes has to come. All the pivots will join. You can see on your own. I'll be talking and I'll be recording this. I'll be talking and recording this. I want to show you the entry. Instead of going to playback mode, I can show you the entry or the thing. Now at present, put option today, they are not trading on the put option. There is no momentum on the put side. So even the out of the money call option, 24,700 was out of the money. It was not showing. Now it has picked up the momentum according to the Nifty. Nifty is now trading around 24,866. You can see over here. Now it is correcting. Here it is the 15-minute marked line. Let me take the thing, let me take the measure this when the 15 bars will complete. 15 bars, I need to code for this. But what happens is if we code for everything, the chart will become cluttered. So around 3 p.m. is the deciding level. So till that time it may go sideways, price may go sideways. We need to see whether it is going to close at the top or whether it is going to close at the bottom. We need to see. Friday, it is closing at the top. The Nifty is closing at the top. It is indicating bullishness and reversal. Let me go to the index and change it to daily time frame and show it to you people. Daily time frame, let me go there. Where is the daily? Daily. Yeah, daily. When I change it to daily time frame, automatically the pivot will change to weekly. See, the price is crossing the pivot. You can see the price is crossing the pivot, and soon you may see the color already changed to gray, red to gray. All the support and the pivots R1 have changed to gray, indicating that it is a neutral stance. Still, you need to wait for the reversal complete. Yeah, some hiccups will be there. It is trying to come out of the jail and it is trying to reverse. Probably Nifty can rally up to 24,999 to 25,100. We need to wait and see. It may take time. It will take time. It will not be one go. Nifty will go down and come up and it has to pick up the passengers. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. How automatically this will adjust to 15 minutes. See how it has adjusted to 15 minutes. Now you can see the moving average is picking up. Moving average is picking up. I had marked the last 15 minutes pivot balance line. So it has crossed the balance line. Now it is moving higher. Let me check what has happened to the call option. The call option is lagging. Why? Because underlying has gone, but the call option is lying. Theta decay will be there. For that reason, they will lag. They will pick up only in the money call options. For example, this is in the money call option. Will show I have not marked the balance line for this. It is going past that. So now this 24,700 call option is trying to move. Let us see how it is going to close, whether it is going to close up or down. Okay, friends, only I need to wait for you people to show what will happen in the next 5 candles. We need to wait when the pivots will join. When the pivots will join, whether it is going to come down. It came down below the when it combined, came down below the pivot line, but it was a buy and it was retest. It is now trying to move past the last 15 minutes balance line. Now, so I marked it. You can see that. You can keep stop loss and moving average slowly picking up. It was very far off. It is coming near. So since it is coming near, and also it is a Friday closing day of the week, then you can book your profits by trailing your stop losses very quickly, and you have to trail your stop loss. So the market is moving higher. It is struggling. The call option is struggling. We need to see whether it is, because this is an instrument. Call option and put option is an instrument for hedging. So most traders use for theta decay, and the premiums will melt day by day. That is the reason. So it has been flared up to sell at higher price. You should remember that. Now we will see it is coming below the balance line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles are over after the balance line has been plotted. Now we are approaching 3 p.m. So 3 minutes are there, 3 candles are there. Let us see what will happen around 3 p.m. All the pivots will come up, and if it wants to go down, what will happen? I want to show it to you. Let us wait. Let us wait. I am continuously speaking without any break. Yeah. See, I wanted to show you people, because this is a wonderful indicator which is giving confidence for you people, not only for you, for me also. After coding this indicator, I myself wondered by seeing this performance. So no indicator can beat this, because it is live, dynamic. It calculates the every candle price and calculates the balance line. Balance line is nothing but the pivots and the rewards. Say RS, resistance and supports. In this indicator, I have enabled, though there is a provision for R2 and S2, I have unchecked it. I have enabled only R1 and S1. That is enough. You also can do that. Traders, please listen to me carefully and watch the price action carefully, how to take the entry. Big bar alerts are big bar, they are not buy. You should remember that. Big bar with the accompanying with buy signal is a buy bar. If a big bar, SS big bar, a sell bar, accompanied it with buy is not a sell, it is a buy, because price is above the pivot, price is above the pivot, price is above the Gann HILO, and price is moving higher. Let us see what will happen. What will happen in another 3 minutes, whether it is going to break out and close at the high, or break down and close at the low. Let us see. If it starts losing the pivots, these are the balance lines. I'm marking the balance lines. If it starts losing the pivots baseline, then it may close at the bottom. Let us see. They may manipulate. Now it is coming down. Price is coming down. You can see how it's so dynamic, so sensitive. These pivots are. They change color. They change to gray, and now again it has, because the price moved down and it has not closed yet. Still 13 seconds are there. So don't hurry yourself pressing the button into the trade. Wait for the candle close. Candle has to close. Candle closing is very, very important for your trade. Don't make hasty decisions, and you can see on your own eyes that moving average is nothing but Gann HILO. It is a combination of two moving averages. Actually, Gann HILO is a combination of two moving average of different periods. Then if it starts flipping, no, the pivot is moving higher, it has crossed the another balance line, 15 minutes balance line, latest balance line, consolidation balance line, it has crossed. So it has no wish to come down, and price is moving higher. Now it is 227. Let us see where they are going to close. Sometimes they will close very higher, and price And Nifty is now at 24,890. Big bar alert has been come and the pivots have joined. Even though pivots have joined, you see, pivots have joined and it is still green and the Gann HILO blue, but it is far away from the moving average. It will try to catch up this. That's why it will start coming down. A correction in the candle you are seeing in the market, red candle will be seen. But the balance line is very, very near the previous balance line, consolidation balance line. It is here since I had marked. So we need to see what it is doing. It is actually manipulative candle. It is coming down dark red color because dark color is the meaning of high volume candle. So it is coming down. Let us see what it will do. Whether now 3 p.m. is there, 3 past 2 now. 2 candles have passed. Now let us see how it is going to, because most of the traders who have taken position around 160, they will tend to book their profits. So when they book their profits after 315 or something, real BTST, they may come and hold the position. Hold the position, that means they have taken position already, but they will be holding the position, not going dithered by this move. It appears that market is trying to move higher. We can see in next week higher prices in Nifty crossing 24,900 to 25,000. Okay, friends, this is the thing. So you understood what has to happen when the buy signal comes. Let me concentrate on the replay button. I'll come over here, how the price will move. I'll slowly make a replay button and I'll explain it to you. Very slowly, so that you need to see and master this. Let me 0.5 is there. Let me decrease the speed so that 0.2 I'll start the replay button. So price will start playing. Watch the pivot, watch the Gann HILO, everything. I'll remove drawings. See, all the pivots have joined because it was the 15-minute cusp, 215. You can see over there, 215. Okay, price is below the Gann HILO. Price is Gann HILO. You are seeing green candles, it is not a buy. There is no buy signal and the pivots are still red. And Gann HILO, price is now trying to catch up with the coming near the Gann HILO, but it is not going there. There is no buy signal. 220, now it is 223. Let us see what the Gann HILO and what you need to see. That is very, very important. Pivots are still red and the Gann HILO is in magenta color. And pivots are constantly changing from, yes, the price has moved above the pivot. Pivots have turned green and the buy signal has been generated around 226. 226. This is what you need to see. Gann HILO will come below the pivots and the pivots will start moving higher. That means price has gained momentum. Pivots are moving and above the moving average. Prices are above the moving average. Now again the consolidation. This is it, friends. I have shown you how to take the entry. You need to wait for that. You should not hurry yourself. The Gann HILO, it was above the pivots. It came down, bended down and came below the pivots. Then that is the confirmed entry. You can see how the market is moving higher. Now it is 234. 200, it is a playback mode. Now it is running 234. The price Nifty is trading at 24,896. Let me increase the speed to catch up the move again. What is happening? See how the price is moving higher. So friends, This is the beauty of my indicator. Now the time is 3:06 p.m. Still, there is no correction. Market is correcting. Market is picking up to coming up to the moving averages, and the price is moving. Now price it is showing 224. At present it is running around 237. It is in the playback mode. Okay friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.